Alright, welcome back to the channel. Here is Master Electro Fix, and today we have a HP. This is a nice laptop. This is a 14-inch, and this model is HP ProBook 640 G2. So what's the issue with that one? The laptop is not powering on at all. No light, nothing, no sign of life. Like nothing is dead. So I have my charger plugged in there. As you can see, no light, nothing at all. So I already took it apart and I was busy analyzing the board, and I just thought, why not doing a video, because the customer actually did send me a video about that laptop, and it was funny that I found a shorting in the same spot as the video. So I was like, okay, let's do a video about that, and it might be fun, because finding the same exact shorting, the same spot and same type of laptop, yeah, it's fun. So let's have fun together. So here we have the board. Let me bring the camera a bit closer. Can I do like that? Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna need to place properly the camera. So let's go ahead and check together. I already checked, I just wanted to show you, and you see how funny it is. So here is our charging port. So the 19 volt coming straight here. So we start on the inductor, then from the inductor it goes straight to the first MOSFET, and then here we have our second MOSFET. So 19 volt coming here, there is no short. When you will hear a beep, then you will see that means it's a shorting, because I'm on the right mode. So let's now go ahead. Fine. Can you see it here? So look here again. Look here. So we have a shorting here, same spot as in the video. So yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go under the microscope and have a proper look at it. See ya. Alright, so here we are under the microscope, and let's go from the charging port. So we are here on the charging port, and if we go over here, we have the first MOSFET and the second MOSFET. Remember, we already checked on the second MOSFET, we found a short right here. Right here we found a short, here we found a short. So it means that line is shorted. So what I wanna do is to check around that line, the short, how far it extends, so that I can trace where that short is coming from. So I'm gonna turn on my multimeter on that mode so that it can beep. That for me the best way to find a short. So here we go. I don't know if you will hear the beep, but I will tell you. Okay, Now it's beeping. Alright, so here we do have beep. When I did that. Oh, that one, uh, sorry. So here is our inductor. That's a diode. I don't think so that shouldn't be a problem. This is a capacitor. It's not supposed to be short. Both sides. One side is supposed to be ground and the other one. So it means there's short here and that capacitor. That's not good. I don't like it. You know what I will do? I will go straight. On the video, he found a capacitor that was shorting somewhere here. Somewhere here. Hey, hey. Look at that. Look at that. What is it? Look at that. It has a hole. Yeah, it's a hole. Look here. Let me have it closer. Okay. Can you see it? That's a hole. And the funny thing is, when I check on the video, we cannot see properly what it's doing, but we can see that the same area he removed one of the capacitor. So I can guess that capacitor is 140, and I'm sure on his video that was also the capacitor that was 40. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and remove the capacitor, and yeah, we can be good to go. We good. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna check again if I still have the short. Don't worry about that. I will clean it later. I know it's kind of missing right now, but let's clean it later. Okay, we come back here. First MOSFET, second MOSFET. Do we still have short? And short is gone. See? Short is gone. Short is gone. Can you see? Short is gone. So that was the MOSFET issue. So let's go and clean that part and so we are back here. So here where we've been working in this area, we remove capacitor right here. So now I will put it back together. Actually, I don't need to put it back together in the video, but I want just to put the display and see if finally it will power. It will power on. Should be enough. Let's put also the screen cable. And the screen cable that I'm putting now. There we go. Now I'm gonna look for the charger and let's cross the fingers. Hey, I see a light. I see a light. Before I couldn't see a light, like as I said, nothing at all. And woohoo! There we go. And it's a win for Master Electro Fix. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and I'm sure the customer gonna be happy. If you are in South Africa, you can check the link down. I will leave everything down. Yeah, you can contact me if you have any kind of issue, or if you have any question about how to fix a laptop or whatever. You can always contact me. I will try my best to be in touch with you. Thank you very much, and please subscribe, share the channel so that, yes, you can help me out. Bye. See you another time.